Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jackson here. I'm going to be breaking down the Canon Ivy printer that fits in the palm of your hand today. Let's check it out. Okay, so the price of this printer is actually $90 right now on Amazon. You can also pick up with it 50 pack of sheets or the little papers you get with it, which you're actually going to print on. This printer doesn't require any ink, so there's no refilling or anything like that. All right, so this printer is actually easy to set up as well. So what you do is you actually just take the back off, you'll take the blue slip out, and then you'll put the 10 sheets into the printer and seal it back up. And that's basically it, and you're ready to print. The next thing you'll do is actually download the app. I use an iPhone personally, so I'm going to show you how to set it up on the app. So you go into the app, you'll link it to the app, and then it will automatically connect whenever you turn the printer back on, so you don't have to worry about that. So once you're in the app, you're going to hit Photo Album, and once you're in Photo Album, you're going to pick which pictures you'd like to print, and then you'll kind of be able to go to a final rendition screen where you'd be able to make edits. It's like putting text over it, maybe an additional filter, whatever you guys are interested in doing there. Then after that, you'll just simply hit print. You can queue up multiple photos at a time, and then it shows live the photo printing on the screen as well. And then it is a little bit loud whenever it's printing, but honestly, it's not going to take that long anyway, so it's not really a big deal. And then the image just slides out, and that's it. Okay, so the image quality is good, of course, with the price range and how small this printer is, and that it's not actually using real ink. So knowing that, the images are good. What it really struggles with, in my opinion, is blue. The blue is just really not there. It's basically just dark white or something like that. So in the photo that I printed off, it's actually a snowy mountainside with the sunrise coming over. So there's kind of a little bit of everything. We have a little bit of blue in the sky, white on one side, and then kind of like a golden side of the mountain on the other. So this image turns out well. You can actually see a pretty good amount of detail. It's not fuzzy or anything like that. Additionally, all of the photos have a sticky back. You'll be able to peel that off, and then you'll be able to stick that on your fridge, which is what I do with most of these photos, or you can kind of put them on your laptop like a lot of people like to do. Okay, so my overall thoughts with this printer is that it's great for the price range. It's super mobile, so you can take it with you if you're going on a trip somewhere. You'll be able to print photos instantly and maybe hang them up or something like that, or give them to people. So, there's like, if you have photos of your kid or something like that, you can mail them to a family member. So very simple to use. If you wanted a photo printed, you're going to have it in just like 2 minutes or something like that, as long as you can get the photos from your camera or something like that. Of course, you can take photos with your iPhone and then just put them into the app and then print them, so that also works. But the photo that I printed is from my actual Canon camera, so the quality is probably a little bit better than what it would be on the iPhone, for example. But I think overall this printer is actually really good for the price range, and I'd recommend it to anybody that just wants to have a really mobile printer. And also for me, I just wanted smaller images. I thought it would be better. For me, I've put like a lot on the fridge and given many to family members and stuff like that. So I really enjoy using it for that. All right, so I recommend you guys get out and buy this camera if you're interested in a small mobile printer, or maybe something at the house to kind of play around with or something like that. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you.